Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. So these are the ingredients at hand today, and I'm going to make something tasty with it. I have put some oil on the pot and let it warm and then put the mustard seeds in. Meanwhile, I spread the air fryer and put the potatoes in so that I can fry the potatoes. I just wanted it to be a little crunchy. Spread some oil on the potatoes and let it fry in the air fryer. Put the onions in the pot, saute. Saute until the onions are softened. Reskin the salmon, cut it into cubes. Put some soy sauce in, some black pepper, salt. Mix it up. By then, I had to shake the potatoes. Shake it up. Put some curry leaf paste, some minced garlic, some black pepper. Mix it up. When the oil heats up, put the salmon in and fry it up. Add in some parsley. Mix it up. I actually was multitasking at this point, so I was frying the salmon and also adding in the onions. Instead of salmon, you can also use tuna or you can also use chicken. Now, add in some crushed tomatoes. Mix. Add in some turmeric. Mix it up. The salmon was almost done. I was frying it to be like crispy and golden brown. So now it is actually crispy. So I have taken it out. Whatever is left, fry them all up. Meanwhile, the onion mixture was also done. I added in some salt, some soy sauce. Mixed it well. Then I have also added in some chili flakes. Mixed it well. The potatoes were golden brown, crispy and done, and so was the salmon. I added in some frozen green peas and mixed it well and let it cook for some time. Took the potatoes out of the fryer. The green peas were done, so I added in the tomato paste and mixed it. And then I added in the fried salmon, mixed it, the potatoes, and gave it a good mix. Let it cook for a few minutes. Added in the salt. And then back home we always eat this kind of dish with roshi. So I decided to make some roshi. I have already made the dough. So here I rolled the roshi and made them. Once it's done, I made a nice black tea because this is how we eat back in the Maldives. There should always be a black tea. And this is like a perfect dinner. Actually, it was a perfect lunch. Lunch or dinner or even breakfast. I love this dish. Everybody loved it. It was really good. If you are to make this dish, make sure you got enough time because it does take a lot of time. Thanks for watching.